G'day guys, welcome back to Red Trucks. My name is Jim. The model in front of you is going to be my entry into 2A HD Cats challenge, which is build a demolition derby car. So I've chosen this Chevy Nova wagon. I thought this would make a good demo derby car. Yeah, as a kid I used to go over demo derbies in Sydney. I used to love them. So when 2A HD Cat put this challenge out, I thought, right, I might be able to do this one. I don't have many tools. Basically, I'm going to use what I've got. So let's crack this open for a start. So here she is, fellas. So I think the first thing I'll do is break the glass, because demo derby cars do not have glass windows. They usually have like a bit of wire mesh at the front and the driver's side. So I'm going to try and push these plastic windows into the interior and then shake them out, because I don't want to have to drill the base off. I'm going to try to inflict as much damage to the body as I can without damaging the base, because if I dent the body in too much, I might not get the base back on, and I don't want to do that. And hopefully I won't have to do any painting, except for the number, maybe. Yeah, definitely have to paint a number. So let's try and push this glass in. Try and keep this in shot. I'll just zoom a bit. It's good when you don't care about any damage you do to the car. So any scratches or stuff that I do to this Chevy Nova doesn't really matter. Even if I bend the pillars a bit. See that scratch on the roof? That's good. Okay, this is proving a little bit more difficult than I thought. Don't want to go through the other side and into my hand. Let's go back a bit. Okay, we're getting there. So at this point, I am going to pause the video, remove this glass and get back to you. This is proving a little bit difficult because the window has gone really soft. It's weird. I thought it would just like crack and come out in shards. Look at it. It's really soft. Look at that. That's the windscreen. I mean, it's a hot day here today. It's about 28 degrees Celsius here in Sydney, but I did not expect the windscreen to act like this. But I am gradually getting it out. It's good when you don't care if you scratch your paintwork. Like I can be as rough as I want. Okay. I need to pull a section out through the back. Got hold of a big piece here. Hopefully I don't want to bend the axles if I can help it. Not that it really matters because it's a demo derby car. But yeah, I didn't think this was going to give me so much trouble. Well, not just the windscreen, the whole plastic piece. See, it's still jammed in there. I've got to try and push it out the back. What have I got myself into? Let's see if I can grab that and pull it through. You ever seen that before? The glass part pulled out through the back. Here we go, I finally got it. Oh yeah, success. So all the glass is out. Some nice little scratches I've already put on it. Managed not to destroy the steering wheel. Axle's still pretty straight. So that is stage one for me. I'm going to take a break now. And next time we come back, I might try and put some dents in it. I might try a meat tenderizer. If that fails, I'll try a hammer. I've got a little drill. I might try and drill some pieces out. I want to dent the roof in a bit. So yeah, I'm going to stop here and continue a bit later. Okay, here's what it looks like at the moment. I just learned a valuable lesson. Do not use your wife's meat tenderizer to hammer a Hot Wheels car, because her paint's stuck on the meat tenderizer. I had to use steel wool to get it off. Hopefully my wife won't notice. Yeah, it's coming along. I tried to put some dents in the doors, but it just wouldn't work. Might have to use something sharper and really, like a hammer and screwdriver or something. Put some dents in the doors, but yeah, it's not too bad. If the camera would focus properly. Anyway, so that's the progress. Okay guys, here it is, the finished product. Red Trucks' entry into 2AHD's Build a Demolition Derby car. I have jabbed this, I have tenderized this, I have hammered this, I have grinded this, I have sawed it, I have bent it, and this is what I'm come up with. Had a pretty bad impact in the front right corner, massive impact in the left rear quarter panel. Don't know how much longer it'll go because this fender is almost rubbing on that wheel, so I'll probably puncture it. But yeah, had a heap of fun doing this. It's my first custom. So tell me what you think, guys. Is this a worthy entry into the Demolition Derby challenge? And it actually still rolls, you wouldn't believe it. Yeah, it actually still rolls. I don't know how, because look at the base just about popped right out. So yeah, the Chevy Nova Demo Derby car. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Bye for now.